Ever feel stuck trying to find the right stocks or just don't have time to analyze the market every day? That is exactly the problem Intellectia AI is trying to solve. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research. Intellectia is AI-powered investment research platform designed for both US stock investors and crypto investors. Instead of spending hours reading charts, news, and reports, Intellectia uses artificial intelligence to analyze the market and surface actionable insights in a simple, easy-to-understand format. Now, the platform itself is available across all major devices. That includes, of course, desktop, iOS, and Android as well here. You can see here there is tons of downloads and really good reviews across the board. This means you can access insights anytime, whether you're on a phone or a desktop. Now, there are tons of features that are included with Intellectia, but let's focus on one here today, and that is the AI-powered stock picker. So all we got to do is sign in and then click that. Now, inside this app, Intellectia provides daily AI-generated stock ideas based on real-time market data and advanced analysis. If we click one of these, we can see that each stock pick provides a clear buy or sell signal, a risk rating, a valuation and risk rating so you understand the volatility before entering the trade, and a simple breakdown that's easy to follow, even for beginners. Instead of guessing or relying on social media opinions, you're seeing decisions that are backed by data and AI-driven analysis. This feature is especially useful for people that want guidance but still want to stay in control of their investments. Now, the biggest advantage of Intellectia AI is time and clarity. It helps investors save time by avoiding endless research, make more structured and informed decisions, and of course, reduce emotional trading by relying on real data. This allows investors to gain confidence, especially if they're new to investing. For busy professionals or beginners, this removes much of the complexity that usually comes with stock and crypto investing. So here we can see we have a Goldman Sachs BDC signal that is currently bearish. So if we click on this, what we can do is actually see that this gives us a sell signal. It shows the risk level as well here, as you can see, and it even explains why this is a target for today. So here we can see the estimates revision section. It says the market is revising no change to the revenue expectations for Goldman Sachs BDC, with the revenue forecasting being adjusted by 0% over the past 3 months. During the same period, the stock price changed by minus 10%. So that's basically why it's giving us this bearish signal, because essentially there's no change in the revenue expectations. So what I love about this is it's actually showing us what it's thinking, why it's thinking it, and giving us the direction here that we can be expecting. And if we go to the featured screeners, what we can do is actually look at stocks that are potentially bullish tomorrow, next week, or next month. So if we click this, we can again see a bunch of these stocks. We can go ahead and click one of these if we want, and then we can get a pretty good estimate or forecast here of what this AI stock picker is thinking. Right now, Intellectia AI is offering a Christmas 60% off deal, which makes this a great time to try the platform at a reduced cost. If you want to explore it yourself, check out the links in the description to access the web version or download the app. As always, a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Trading and investing always involves risks, and you should always do your own research. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.